short term, maybe mid-term, I would definitely focus on decreasing of the costs, to looking at opportunities for improvement of the, let's say, certain back office operations, manual activities, and to really decrease, the effort, decrease the cost, short term. And maybe then, long term, to as well see whether this AI, because as well, thanks to these, let's say, short term, activities, they will, be better, with AI. They will better understand, how AI functions, what, can offer, how service, could be improved. And then later on, to focus on this improvement of services, focus on bringing additional customer experience, additional, let's say, features, thanks to AI.
I think what the financial institutions should be focusing on both, but what they need to understand is, firstly, do they understand what AI can do? Do they understand its limits, but they understand also the opportunities? And also they need to understand that it's not a proven model, so it's not really clear what's going on, so they have to do a lot of experimentation to make sure that works well. And lastly, they have to create the safeguards, so if something goes wrong, they do not create damage for the rest of the organization.
You are thinking about what new product, AI-based product, you can sell to your clients. First and foremost, you need to ensure that you are using it within yourself, okay? So efficiency probably is super important while you think about the new product, because in one of our recent survey, only 40% of the employees have access to an AI solution, and only 60% use it every day. So it's very important to ensure that you use AI within your firm. And this has to become bottom-up, because the value of AI is relevant when you know exactly what problem it has to solve. You cannot apply it everywhere, but if you're talking about operations, back office, business, risks, and all of the processes are different, so you really need to re-envision each process within your firm and ask yourself, how can AI benefit? So in a nutshell, it's first and foremost, optimize what you're doing, while at the same time you are creating new value proposition to the market.